Hello everyone. Before we get started, let me ask you a question. Have you ever found yourself confused by the different ways jobs are advertised? Sometimes it's an ad, sometimes a posting, and then there's job circular. What makes them different? Imagine you're on a treasure hunt. The treasure map is critical. It tells you where to go and what to look for. In the world of job hunting, a job circular is like that treasure map. It provides you all the details you need to find and land a job. By the end of this lecture, you should be able to define what a job circular is, understand the purpose and components of a job circular, recognize how job circulars are used in various sectors, apply this knowledge to your job search strategies. A job circular is an official announcement issued by an organization to inform potential candidates about available job positions, such as the title, responsibilities, qualifications required, application procedures, and deadline. Let's say a university is looking to hire a new professor. The job circular would specify the position, for example, Professor of English Literature, outline the job responsibilities, for example, teaching, research, publishing, and then list the qualifications needed, for example, PhD in English and teaching experience. And finally, explain how to apply. Submit a CV, cover letter. The purpose of a job circular is to attract qualified candidates. Think of it as the organization's way of saying, hey, we're looking for talented individuals like you to join our team. It serves as a bridge between the employer and potential employees, providing all the necessary information to ensure the right candidates apply. A job circular from a tech company might be aimed at attracting software developers. It would highlight the innovative projects the company is working on, the cutting-edge technologies used, and the collaborative work environment. This appeals to developers who are looking for challenging and exciting opportunities. Let's break down the typical components of a job circular. Job title and department. This indicates the position available and the department it belongs to. For example, marketing manager in the marketing department. Job responsibilities. A detailed list of duties and responsibilities associated with the position. This helps candidates understand what will be expected of them. Qualifications and skills. This section outlines the necessary qualifications such as educational background, work experience, and specific skills required. Application process. Detailed instructions on how to apply, including where to send resumes, application forms, and any other required documents. Deadline for application. The final date by which applications must be submitted. Company information. A brief overview of the company, its mission, values, and culture. This helps candidates get a feel of the organization they might join. A job circular for a graphic designer might list job responsibilities like creating visual content for social media, collaborating with the marketing team, and designing promotional materials. The qualifications might include a degree in graphic design, proficiency in Adobe Creative Suite, and a portfolio of previous work. Job circulars are prevalent in many sectors, but particularly critical in government, education, and large corporations. In these fields, the structured nature of job circulars ensures transparency and fairness in the hiring process. They provide clear criteria that helps in objectively evaluating candidates. In the education sector, a university might issue a job circular for a new research scientist. The circular would provide details about the research focus, lab environment, and the required academic background and the application process. This ensures that only qualified candidates who meet the specific criteria apply, saving time for both the applicants and the hiring committee. Understanding how to read and interpret job circulars is necessary for any job seeker. Here are a few tips. Number 1. Read carefully. Pay attention to every detail. Missing a single requirement or deadline can cost you the opportunity. Number 2, customize your application. Tailor your resume and cover letter to match the job's requirement. Highlight your relevant skills and experience. Number 3, follow instructions. Ensure you follow the application process exactly as outlined. If the circular asks for documents in a specific format, adhere to it. Think of job circulars as puzzles. Each piece of information fits together to form a complete picture of what the employer is looking for. Your job is to make sure your application fits perfectly into that picture. Now here's an assignment for you. Find 3 job circulars from different sectors, government, private, non-profit, and analyze their components. Compare and contrast the information provided and the application process. Understanding job circulars is the first step toward a successful job search. They are your guide to finding the right opportunities and presenting yourself as the ideal candidate. Happy job hunting, and remember, the career map is only useful if you know how to read it.